Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of plant pests. From aphids to Japanese beetles, we'll explore the top 10 pests that can turn a garden into a nightmare. We'll delve into their life cycles, feeding habits, and how to deal with them. Join me as we learn the secrets to protecting our plants from these silent garden raiders. Our first encounter brings us face to face with the aphid. These tiny, pear-shaped insects, often green or black, are common on tender buds and leaves. Aphids are relentless feeders, sucking sap from your prized roses, tomatoes, and other garden favorites. Left unchecked, aphids can weaken plants, causing stunted growth, curled leaves, and attracting ants. Next, we encounter a creature so small, it often escapes detection until the damage is done. The spider mite spins delicate webs on the underside of leaves, a telltale sign of their presence. They feed by piercing plant cells, leaving behind yellow dots on the leaves. As the infestation spreads, leaves turn yellow, then bronze, and eventually drop off. Our journey takes us now to the underside of a leaf, where a flurry of tiny white insects takes flight at the slightest disturbance. These are whiteflies, aptly named for their powdery white appearance. Like aphids, whiteflies feed on plant sap, weakening the plant and causing leaves to yellow and drop. Whiteflies also excrete honeydew, a sticky substance that can attract sooty mold, further disfiguring the plant and hindering its growth. Chapter 4. Mealybugs, the cottony imposters. The mealybug, with its soft white cottony covering, might appear innocuous at first glance, but beneath this deceptive exterior lies a sap-sucking insect that can wreak havoc on a wide range of plants, from delicate orchids to sturdy cacti. Mealybugs are slow-moving but persistent, their feeding causing leaves to yellow, distort, and eventually drop. Chapter 5. Scale insects, armored adversaries. Scale insects, true to their name, possess a hard shell-like covering that acts as armor, protecting them from predators and making them particularly challenging to control. They feed by inserting their piercing mouthparts into the plant tissue, sucking sap and weakening the plant, often causing stunted growth and yellowing leaves. Chapter 6. Thrips, tiny insects, big problems. These tiny, slender insects, barely visible to the naked eye, are often overlooked until the damage is apparent. Thrips feed on many plants indoors and outdoors, using their rasping mouthparts to puncture cells and suck out contents. This feeding results in stippling, silvering, or distortion of leaves, and in severe cases can cause leaves to wither and drop. Our investigation now takes us beneath the surface, into the soil where pests lurk. Fungus gnats, small dark flies, flit around potted plants, their larvae hidden in the soil. Fungus gnat larvae, small white with shiny black heads, thrive in moist soil, feeding on organic matter. This feeding damages seedlings and weakens plants, making them more susceptible to other pests and diseases. We turn our attention now to a more familiar garden pest, the caterpillar. These plump, soft-bodied creatures, the larval stage of butterflies and moths, are notorious for their insatiable appetites. They feed voraciously on leaves, their chewing mouthparts capable of devouring large quantities of foliage in a short amount of time. As dusk settles and the garden sleeps, new characters emerge from the shadows. Slugs and snails, these slow-moving creatures, love tender leaves and seedlings, leaving a trail of slime as evidence of their nocturnal feasts. They thrive in moist environments, hiding by day and emerging at night to feed, their mouthparts capable of inflicting significant damage to plants. Our final encounter brings us face to face with a particularly destructive pest, the Japanese beetle. These iridescent green beetles with their coppery brown wing covers are not only a sight to behold but also a significant threat to a wide range of plants. Japanese beetles are voracious feeders, their chewing mouthparts capable of skeletonizing leaves, leaving behind a lace-like pattern of veins. As we conclude our journey into the world of plant pests, remember we are not powerless against these tiny adversaries. By understanding their life cycles, recognizing signs of infestation, and employing effective control methods, we can protect our gardens and ensure our plants thrive. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!